Number 3, being asked to simplify the square root of 192. All the steps are the same. Step number 1, write down the prime factorization. What goes into 192? It's even. So I'm going to start with a 2. 2 goes into 192. 2 goes into 18 9 times. Now 1 left over. 2 goes into 12 6 times. I suppose you will use a calculator, but you can do it this way too. 2 goes into 97 48 times. Still even numbers. 2 goes into 48 24 times. 2 goes into 24 12 times. 2 goes into 12 6 times. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 does not go into 3, but 3 does. 3 goes into 3 once. Alright, so that's step number 1. Step number 2, determine the index. We'll be doing more of that later on, tomorrow. Has an index of 2 because there's nothing there. Let's just remind you. Step number 3, if the index is 2, circle the groups of 2. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 twos. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 3. Circle the groups of 2s. There's a group of 2. There's a group of 2. And there's a group of 2. The number or variables from each circled group will show up outside the radical symbol one time. So that's going to show up once. That's going to show up once. And that's going to show up once. So I have 3 2s. Anything left uncircled will remain under the radical. Everything under the radical is circled, the radical symbol disappeared. Whoops, I don't want to circle that. There's a 3. So that's going to stay inside the radical. And 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So I'm saying the square root of 192 rather, is the same thing as 8 times the square root of 3. So second, x squared 72 is the decimal equivalent is 8.485, and 8 times the square root of 3 is also, what did I do wrong? I did the wrong number. It's not 72. It's 192. Second x squared 192 should be 13.85. So that is correct.